What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are opening up the Obsidian Flames Pokemon Center ETB boxes. I am actually going to be opening up two of these. So without further ado, let us get started on this. Same concept though, they didn't really change the art like they did from Brilliant Stars and onwards. Where they kind of changed the artwork a little bit, but didn't really. Like, they changed the background colors and whatnot. That was like the biggest change. But with these, you do get 11 booster packs. 11, right? I think it was 11. Yes, 11 booster packs instead of 9. Ooh, this came in weirdly. Anyways, don't know what happened there. And we actually get 2 promo cards instead of 1. And typically we should get a metal coin, unless if it's the... I don't think we get metal coins. We did get energy pack here. I think that's it. But instead of like what's it called? The regular promo card that you get from opening the ETB, you get both the one with Pokemon Center stamped on it, which I am pulling out, and you can see right here on the back of this ETB box I haven't opened yet. And you get the regular promo card. So, yeah, and also that code card that's been sitting out there for a while now that I haven't showed y'all yet. Here's that code card. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, here is the regular Black Star promo card you get from the ETBs usually. So, and then here is the Pokemon Center version where you do get the Pokemon Center stamp where my finger is. So there is that. I'm just gonna open both real quick. Same concept. Just to speed through the process a bit. You get your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just want to make sure all 11 packs are there. Sometimes you don't get them. There's that ETB promo card. Code card and the 2 cards again, which I'm gonna set on the side for now. All right, I'm gonna open up that first ETB box and let's get started. So we already got 4 Charmanders, and we're gonna start with fire, and in hopes that it is a fire pack. It is electric, so hopefully we'll have an electrifying pack instead. We got Weasel, Sweet, Magnemite, Lardesta, Bellybolt, Trevenant, Electros, Greavard, Squilvit into... How does this happen? We got another Reverum EX Full Art card. This is the first card we pulled in the original ETB video, the first ETB video I did. But yeah, we got this. The centering on this is actually pretty good. There's a thing on this corner and another one on this edge. But yeah, another Reverum. Speaking of Reverum, pack art. let us go with metal after this code card. And it is grass. We got Barbroach, Wiglet, Squilvit, Palpitoad, Amoonguss, Seismitoad, Arboliva, Stoutland, Clodsire, into Palafin. I actually do want to take a quick look at how many. I think there is less illustration rares this time around. We got the Gloom, Ninetales, Palafin, which we got already. We got Bellybolt. There is a lot less. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, we got a Lechonk one. There's only 12 illustration rares this time around. That's kind of crazy considering the fact that the first two sets had like a million. All right. Let us go with Dark. Fire. This might be a fire pack, y'all. We got Rowlet, Bumblebee, Smoliv, Pidgey, Flamigo, Bronzong, Charmeleon, Snubbull, Darumaka, into a Scizor. Ah, not a fire pack not the fire pack we wanted. But it's okay. Still got packs. Let us go with Psychic. Here's that code card first. And it's metal. We got Ziggs, Scyther, Meltan, Charcadet, Team Star Grunt, Altaria, Mawile, Bunnelby, Arboliva, into a Houndstone EX. Alright, new one, new pull. Here's that Houndstone EX right now. Centering on this is pretty good. Also, little thing on the top here though, but centering is pretty good. Moving along to our next pack. This is pack number 5. And we will go with Grass. Fighting, meaning we have a fighting chance. Combee, Varoom, Larvitar, Cleffa, Excadrill, Pidgeotto, Dragonair, Inkay, Froakie. We got Claydol. Oh, that's it. Claydol. This one felt weird. That Froakie card felt a little weird, but I guess it was just me. Next pack. Pack number 6. Let us go with. Let's go metal. It's grass. We got Poniard, Lillipup, Graballer, Clefairy, Bouffalant, Grabominable, Kingambit, Wiglet. Whoop. We got the Pidgeot EX special illustration rare. I actually like this card a lot also because of the artwork. Honestly, all the 3 Pidgey cards in this set, like the Pidgey Evolution line, illustration rares, they're amazing. Here's that. Flip it around. Let's see. Centering on this is a little bit off. I see it leaning a little towards the right, but ding here, ding here, ding on 2 corners. But the centering honestly is not as noticeable. Just love this card though. Alright, moving on to our next pack. Let us go with Electric. And it is Grass. We got an Inkay, Toadschool, Houndour, Tadbulb, Armarouge, Ortega, Volcarona, Togedemaru. We got a Bellybolt, illustration rare into Gita. Look at this belly bolt. It's being cute in its little nest. Alright. Centering on this is leaning a little towards the left here. Ding here and another ding here. It's a ding on all the corners, unfortunately. But it is what it is. Came out of the pack that way. Moving on. We got pack number 8. 9, 10, 11. Yep, pack number 8. We will go with, let's go electric. Is that code card first? Ooh, first guess the energy. Finally got one. Anyways, we got Capsicid, Town Store. I think we got something in the back. Cryogonal, Togepi, Winkalone, Letter of Encouragement. It's encouraging me to pull something. We got the Chandelure. We got another Letter of Encouragement. Phantom into the Tyranitar EX. Terraform Thunder. Alright, centering on this is not the best. It's leaning towards the bottom here. You see this little giant gap on the top here. There is that. 3 more packs in the first box. Whoop. There we go. We will go with Grass Energy. There's that code card. It's fire. We might have a fire pack. Think there is something in the back again. We got Steenie, Wooper, Baltoy, Carvana, Altaria, Houndoom, Bracius, Weasel, Town Store. I get trolled by these silver borders now. Thunderous is our last card in our rare spot. Alright. We will go with water this time. There's that code card. Second guess their energy today. We got Bonsly. Didn't see that until now. Dolive, Time Pull, Surskit, Patrol Cap, Blossom, League Headquarters, Mawile, Clefairy, into Entei. Alright, last pack of the first box, and then we're going to try and breeze through that second box as fast as we can. And hope for the best. We will go Psychic. That code card. We got Metal. We got the Lechonk, Fungus, Nosepass, Litwick, Magnezone, Abominable, Mawile. We got Yungoos, Ninetales, and Claydol. That's not a bad haul, honestly. Could have been better, but not a bad haul. All right. Let us do this. I'm going to move everything. This is our first box. Just like a little comparison of what we can get in 2 boxes. Here is our second box, pack number 1 or pack number 12, however you want to count it. Starting fresh, let's go Fire. Here's our code card. We got Dark. Smoliv, it might be the Charizard, Pidgey, Combi, Varoom, Diggersby, Solrock, Houndoom, Togetic, Grumpig, into Gita. Gita's just like there clapping, it looks like. But she's putting on her gloves. Looks like she's clapping from afar. Alright, let us go with Electric. Here's that code card. And Fighting. Fighting Chance. Glimmet. Rhyme, Rockruff, Wiglet, Probopass, Vengeful Punch, Scarm, Lechonk, another Scarm, into a Scizor. Alright. Pack number 3. We're going to go with Water, Code Card, and Electric. Larvitar, Cleffa, Inkay, Toadschool, Rumble, Malamar, Grumpig, Combee, Granbull, into Darkrai. This second box right now is not doing us any justice. Come on, box number 2. Alright, let's go with Grass. Cool card. And Psychic. Shuckle. We got Bisharp. Magneton. Timepole. Espeon. Sharpedo. Linoon. Griballer. Masquerain. Togekiss. Going into pack number 5 now. And we will go with, let's go with Metal. There's that. Fire, there. Something just fell on our Tadpole, Steenie, Wooper, evolves into Clodsire, Trevenant, Bellibolt, Bonsweet, Lycanroc, into Cloth EX. Finally got a pull here. Not the pulls we want, but a pull nonetheless. There's that. Centering on this is off. It's going towards the left. Notable ding here and there. And there. But moving on to our next pack, I have no clue what just fell off the table. Let us go with Psychic. Water. It's a cooldown moment. Heatmore, Lillipup, Toxel, Charcadet, Darmanitan, Dartrix, Frogadier, Capsakid. Whoop. Oh my god! We got the gold Charizard. The ultra rare Charizard has been pulled. Holy sh! Oh. It's a beaut. Centering on this. Honestly, it is a little off. It is leaning towards the bottom here. But I feel like this may be able to get a 10. Holy... I can't believe that happened. Gold Charizard has been pulled. I'm like watching other YouTubers open this up early and they're like pulling Gold Charizards left and right. Does that mean I won't be able to get one? And then we pull it. That was in my mind. I never said it out loud. I'm just happy I got it. Moving on. We're gonna go Dark type here. Here's that code card. And it is Metal. We got Baltoy, Carvana, Lechonk, Fungus, Flamigo, Bronzong. We got a Beartic, Claydol, Electros, into Scovillain. Makes me wonder how spicy the Scovillain is. Anyways, let us go with Water. Fighting. We got another fighting chance here at pulling something. Poniard, Sinistea, Tadbulb, Numel, Stunfisk, Salazzle, Wugtrio, Rhyme, Sinistea, into Palafin. 3 more packs. I can't believe we got that Charizard. 2 videos, 2 Charizards. That's all I'm saying. All right. We will go with let's go Psychic. We got something in the back again. We got Dark Energy, Nose Pass, Litwick, Audino, Charmander evolves into Charmeleon. We got the Excadrill, Pidgeotto, Magnezone, Kangaskhan, into another Vespiquen. All right. There's that Vespiquen again. Centering on this is pretty good. The only thing I notice is a little thing on this corner, but overall, pretty good. Moving on. Can't believe we already pulled a Charizard. 2 Charizards. I think there's 2 more that I have to pull now. So we got half of them. We're gonna go with Electric. Here's that code card. Third Guess the Energy. Mawile, Togedemaru, Greavard, Lechonk, Kangaskhan, Wishcash, Floatzel, Larvesta. We got the Dratini into a Thundurus. Will we have some last pack magic though? Let's find out. Let's get some last pack magic here. Fire. Let's do this. Let's make this a fire pack. It's grass. We got another Dratini. We got Oddish, Finizen, Herdier, Dragonair, Armarouge, Amoonguss, Gloom, Brassius, into Darkrai. Alright. So there we have it. It was like a little comparison. The last ETB we opened, we got, I think, 6 pulls. This one, the first box we got 5. The second one we got 3, but we got that Charizard. So there's that. It's like luck of the draw, honestly. You could get nothing. You could get something. You could get a lot of things. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. For the next video, please subscribe. And until next time, peace.